April 5th, 2025. Went to the doctor with Dave. Gonna go back to the doctor with him this week. Find out what's happening. But we were able to get out. Like, that's the creek. We never see the creek this tall. It did crest and it's out from the road. I am gonna put some videos for that in there. What up, Shadow? Yeah. Garage is flooded. So it's okay though. Like, the water will go down and it's gonna be all good. But daily dose of Dawn. Wild times. Ready for spring. Follow along. Hope you're gonna grow some food. Learn how to grow something. Learn how to be just a little bit more self-reliant and a little less independent on systems that may or may not get changed. Because everything changes. It always changes. Change is hope. Sick, not weak. Two really good causes. Anyway. Thanks for watching. Shadow says it's time to go in. See you later. $6.22. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound of the water, but I can hear it from here. But it is neat not to have to hear people. Show you guys the birds. Gonna work on getting a webcam up so you guys can see the birds. Hummingbirds are gonna be here soon. Water 5. Water 5 is going to be your coupon. If you've made it this far, Water 5. 5% off your next purchase with me. Thanks for watching. Bless you, Shadow. Shadow. Great face. It's raining. See you guys later. Water 5.